Here is a wonderful 2017 Honda Ridgeline. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, rear AC, alarm, intermittent wipers. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.